I was online recently looking for some garden products to try, then it dawned on me that Mother's Day is coming up in a few weeks. And my wife just loves gardening. If you're in a similar situation, here's some great gift ideas. First up is the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9. Roll the video.
Meet the innovative Click and Grow Smart Garden. You can grow fresh herbs and greens at home with zero effort. The Smart Garden takes care of everything: lighting, water, and nutrients. Gardening has never been easier. Order the Smart Garden today.
At $199, it may be a little bit pricey for some, but there is a smaller version called the Smart Garden 3 for $99 and is Amazon's choice, which considers both the price and the value. It can also be a good gift for younger gardeners just getting started out, especially during the winter months. Both the Smart Garden 3 and 9 have a rating of 4.5 out of 5, and the 3 has over 1,200 reviews, while the 9, at the time of this film or this video was made, it had only 112. Next up is the Botanium Hydroponic Automatic Indoor Gardening Pot. This one will set you back only $68. Roll the tape. The thing I like about this product is that it is self-watering, no soil is involved, and fertilizer is included. It's great for growing fresh herbs like basil, and I love fresh basil on a pizza. So just pick the leaves off and put them on there. And it only has 18 ratings, but 92% of them are 4 to 5, which is really good. Only 1 or 2 people rated it 1, and the middle numbers, nobody rated it that. It's either really high and just a couple of people rated it low. Number 3, this one I really like. If you have houseplants and you don't want to trust them to a sitter who may not know anything about your plants at all, you might want to try this one. It's called the Blue Mat Plant Watering Stakes. It's a non-powered drip irrigation system, and it probably works on capillary action. The water tends to move toward the dry area like a paper towel wicking up water when you spilled something. The rating is 4.5 out of 5 with over 1,600 views. The cost for the 12 stakes is $49.95, or approximately $4.13 per stake. A pack of 50 will set you back $184, and that's a lot of houseplants. But the per unit cost is only $3.68. The 25 pack is no deal. When you figure it out, you're paying $4.70 per stake. Now, if you tend to overwater, especially during the winter, you might want to try these. They can certainly reduce your stress when you have to leave your little green babies. My fourth choice isn't a bouquet of roses, but this one can save both your plants and maybe your life too. Roll the tape.
This is the Midland WR120 Weather Alert Radio. It gives you instant access to weather information and automatically alerts you for severe weather. You can program it just from the location where you live and choose the alerts you want to hear. It has a multilingual display, operates off wall power, but also includes battery backup. And it definitely alerts you loud enough that you'll hear when severe weather threatens your location. The Midland WR120 Radio.
I really like this one because accurate weather reports are crucial information for gardeners. When I get up in the morning, this was my first duty to check out the weather, which helped me determine if I could plant today or if I was going to spray my crops or whatever. I don't currently have a weather radio because my last one died, but I plan on getting a new one, and I think this is the one I'm going to get. It's tone-activated alarm, will warn you of severe weather, and it's also very much appreciated if you know a tornado's coming or something like that. At less than $40, you can always add a nice box of candy and some flowers or a plant. A lot of people would think a weather radio is not a very good gift, but for a gardener, it can be a godsend. My final choice is a practical one. It's a combination hedge and grass trimmer. I was most interested in this one because trimming grass around trees, fences, and other obstacles. And notice I said I was interested in it. Yeah, I'm going to buy this one myself because I have 70 fruit trees and I use a weed whacker to go around the edges, and you're bending over all the time trying to avoid branches. But if I was sitting on the ground or kneeling on the ground and just using these, which I hope to do, Happy Mother's Day. I'm sorry. I'm going to buy these for myself. But I think they could be a good gift for Mother's Day for somebody that might be trimming some things around small areas. They're not as loud as gas trimmers, and you can get closer to plant structures than many other trimmers without doing damage. And they're very light and easy to use. The price comes to less than $100 in 2021. In the description I have two listed. One is the Black & Decker one and another one is Gardenia, I think it is. And the reason I listed the Black & Decker is because I'm pretty sure that one's made in the United States. I'm not sure about Gardenia. I had a hard time finding out. As I find more gift ideas, I'll pass them on to you, and I'm anxious to try some of these products myself. And when I do, I'll report back to you. I do have something picked out for my wife from this list, and I hope she likes it. If she doesn't, well, looks like we'll be shopping for something else. This is Gary. Be good. Bye-bye.